We want breast cancer awareness to fly across the world. That's why we turned our airplanes into the first self-exam tutorial that flies. Let's start. Stand in front of a mirror with your hands on your hips. Study your breasts, looking out for any changes on your skin or nipples, swelling, redness, or dimpling. Now, put your hands over your head and check if there are any changes in your breast shape. Using 3 fingers, make circular movements in one of these 3 directions. Start from the armpit area, heading downwards and feeling the bottom part of your breast. Then continue until covering the whole area and arriving at the nipple. Don't forget to check the armpit and upper pectoral areas. If you feel any lumps or irregularities, you should see your doctor. Share this video and tell your loved ones about the importance of breast self-examination. Early detection of breast cancer is in our hands.